Greetings! In this video, we will be exploring different options of the Algebra menu. When you press Menu, then Algebra, you will see three options. The first option is Numerical Solve. If you think there's only one answer, nsolve is suitable. So these equations could be linear equation, statistical function, or even calculus. But you need to be sure there's only one solution that you are looking for. Otherwise, you have to choose other options or graphing maybe. Let's solve these two equations. Let's start with the linear equation. You have to specify the variable that you are looking for, and when you press enter, you will see the answer. Even if your equation is a bit complicated, so we will follow the same step. My example was this equation. I'll be typing. In this example, I'll be looking for a solution for A. When you press enter, you will get the result. Second option is for system of linear equations. It can be two variables or it can be more than two variables. Even if you have a unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions, you can use this option. If you are using other variables than x and y, you have to specify which variables that you are trying to find. And when you press enter, you will see x equals to 4 and y equals to -6 is the solution. And the third option is for polynomials. It can be real or complex solution. I have just selected a simple quadratic equation. Let's type this one. We have to write the coefficients. The syntax is similar to numerical solve. Calculator will try to solve for x, but this time there can be two or more solutions. Finally, I would like to show you what happens if you use numerical solve for a quadratic equation. I am using the same equation. When we press enter, we will see only one solution. For this example, we will see 1 as the solution because it is closer to 0. Of course, there's a way to overcome this problem. If I use the same equation and if I specify the domain between 3 and 10, for example, calculator will give me the solution as 4. However, as I suggested, if you are not sure about number of solutions, try not using numerical solve. If your equation is a polynomial, use polynomial tool, otherwise use graphing. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.